According to BL Group team, everything shall be smart in the smart city. A smart apartment, smart office, smart enterprise, smart yard, everything that contributes to the quality of our life. Creating an environment where everybody can manage it, adjust it according to personal needs and mood, according to private preferences and wishes. This is essential for a comfortable life. The large-scale exposition of International Lighting Engineering Corporation (BOSS) Lighting Group is dedicated to the integration of solutions for outdoor and indoor lighting in information and communication systems, digital platforms and services of the Smart City. Smart City by BL Group was located on 400 square meters and attracted the attention of each and every one who attended the exhibition. We make a soft landing at the airport, pass through the tunnel and then plunge into the atmosphere of a modern metropolis. A variety of lighting solutions for streets, roads, parks, sports complexes, museums, hotels, industrial zones, and even for greenhouses is implemented with the equipment manufactured at the corporation's domestic plants. Demonstration of the automated lighting control system is the main dominant of the exposition. Our recent development is Breeze Smart Light. The system enables individual control of lighting devices, precise control over the operation of each luminaire, and supports telecommunication technologies. Using sensors and counters that are installed in control cabinets, fixtures, and supports, you can not only check the operating status of any device, but also perform remote monitoring and control. One of the basic city elements is smart support. This is an entire technological complex created as a modular construction kit. This support is fitted with the equipment for video surveillance and projections, sensors for data collection, a Wi-Fi router, a lamp hidden inside the housing of one of the modules, and a charging station with connectors for different gadgets and electric cars. There's even a payment mechanism for phone, tablet, or bank card application. You pay only for the actual charging. Know that every function can be managed from mobile devices. On the one hand, there is a high-quality service for the comfort of citizens. On the other, a convenient tool for quick response and making the right managerial decisions. Solar batteries are used at the base of this support, landmark solution in steel constructions independent of electrical supply networks. 3 compact solar batteries are mounted on an anodized aluminum housing. They feed both the main elements of lighting and additional devices that require energy. All support systems can be controlled via a mobile application, and due to the flexible choice of shape factor, it can be used in any location, even in places difficult to access for traditional infrastructure. The quality of obstacle lights on the airfield runway can also be assessed as a virtual pilot. Diode light sources guarantee the service life and reliability, and specially designed optics provide good visibility of airport runways. The devices are resistant to temperature drops and salt fog, protected from dust, moisture, sand, and vibration. The corporation also focuses on producing simple and easy-to-maintain lighting devices. This can be seen in AR technology. In augmented reality mode, you can see, for example, how the spotlights are being serviced on a giant lighting support with a mobile crown. A modern metropolis is about dynamics, drive, and of course, sport. The new LED devices can solve the most complex tasks in large open spaces. You can combine different powers, changing lighting modes, manage light distribution, and specially designed heat removal systems can be used both indoors and outdoors. These devices are power efficient, easy to operate and maintain. Following the road traffic rules, we're now moving to the park zone through the pedestrian crossing. Using a motion sensor and adjusting the lighting brightness, we have made it safer. When the green light is on, the downlight shines brighter to illuminate our path. This is comfortable for a pedestrian, and the driver is warned with this additional sign. Pedestrian flow records is useful information for adjusting logistic solutions, and the motion sensor helps save energy. Street furniture, the potential of light for brighter leisure. The Smart Bench. It can be of any color, shape, or content and fit into a complex architectural solution. For example, it can be designed in the style of modern minimalism, like the entire exhibition. The main thing is the purpose of the object itself, which serves the person and is intended for the personal comfort of each of us. We can control the light, color, and therefore mood by adjusting the intensity and spectrum of lighting. Is your gadget's battery empty? A charger is right here, and presence and location sensors on the one hand contribute to our security, and on the other hand provide good material for comparative analysis and subsequent decisions on optimizing costs for street furniture. By the way, in the 4 days of the fair, the bench recorded 3,127 people, so it was in demand, located where people needed it. Let's try using a mobile device to implement a variety of color and light dynamic scenarios of architectural lighting. And that's not all. City traffic jams data, visualized by means of color change, displayed on the counter of the bridge. Thus, color navigation helps road users build an optimal route, observing possible traffic from afar. Lighting parameters affect the efficiency of every process. You can create comfort zones via a mobile application by adjusting the color and brightness of both ambient and local lighting. Moreover, you can do it in real-time mode based on a preset scenario and with parameters that are personally important to you. The motion sensor will help activate the energy-saving mode or even change the temperature of the entire light panel. Together with the leading representatives of museums that are heirs of the national culture, such as the Hermitage and Tretyakov Gallery, the Historical Museum, and the Garage Museum of Modern Art, we enter the hall. We're approaching the object. A light appears that is directed to the object. The color temperature, brightness, light beam along the contour of any form presented, and other parameters are managed by the visitors themselves, depending on their individual preferences. But within the permissible standards, that guarantees the safety of the item. We move away. The light is dimmed, switching our attention to the next exposition that we're approaching. This is convenient for the visitor, safe for the works of art, and the energy savings are remarkable. Phytoirradiators for greenhouses. Some of them are intended for inter-row illumination of plants, using tapestry systems. Others for illumination in multi-level rack-type installations. These unique new developments have impressed each and every one. They managed to attract attention of both specialists, agrarians, and visitors. Now you can grow agricultural plants anywhere in the world without natural light and regardless of climatic conditions. People can control the lighting, control the climate in the greenhouse, and the physiological state of plants remotely via mobile devices. And finally, the exposition of BL Group, as well as the recently issued 4th edition of Lighting Engineering Reference Book, have shown the current development status of the industry. We believe that this book comprises all the new groundbreaking events in the last 20 years. This fundamental scientific work, edited by Julian Eisenberg and Georgi Boss, is an important landmark for specialists in all sectors of the economy. It is especially important for the lighting technicians. The book shows rapid changes in the industry, including those that integrate lighting solutions into digital platforms and services. Our experts will continue to develop and implement bright solutions for the smart city to create a comfortable and safe urban environment for all residents, for each of you. Thank you for your participation. We also invite you to visit the exposition of BL Group in March 2020 in Frankfurt am Main, Germany.